that
Yeah,
song.
yeah, yeah.
But if you're going to do a remix,
Spanish Town Invasion. Yeah.
if you're going to do a remix, see?
Yeah.
You're going to go Chronics, Coffee, so that cable, so like I see. So
Yeah.
all right.
Yeah.
And you're going to do a next. You can't go Craig, you know?
Ah, true, man.
Because you have the look to it, the Rasta look.
I really am, man. You
But
should have been
that change the
management.
shirt, but that change the shirt for the video. Go something more Rasta like, you know, lion. But you're good. That pink, I'm going to think a pink lion that work, you know, that feeling.
No, me not do
Pink
that.
lion.
Me not do that or something. You know?
Welcome to Daytime Live.
Big up every
Tuesday
Zebulon in the
vibes.
place. Hold on.
What's up?
Big up every Zebulon in the place.
Okay.
Ah, so all 12 tribes and Zebulon know what I mean. Go on talk now. Pink as Zebulon color. Go on talk. You knew.
right.
Go on talk.
Yeah, I guess your weekend was good, right?
Great. Always.
All right. So, all right, guys, if you want to connect with us on our social media, Instagram and Twitter, it's at TVJ_Daytime Live. And on Facebook, it's TVJ Daytime Live. Just watch.
I remember always that if you want to be a part of our studio audience, log on to televisionjamaica.com and get listed, or just forward and sit in. You understand?
Yeah, that's something. And of course, you can catch back shows via onespotmedia.com. So if you miss it, go to One Spot Media or search for us on YouTube. Buzz time, brother.
Man thing, let's get buzzing. All right, so congratulations are in order to Mr. Ravers Clavers himself. And this is Ding Dong, who married his longtime
What's his
girlfriend.
real name?
Kemar Ati. So Mr. and Mrs. Ati.
Ati.
Ati. Like Merlin, Ati. Way up to nothing.
I don't know.
No, way up
I'm
to
just
nothing.
saying, your case of Mr. Ding Dong. Like,
Mr. Ding Dong. Ding Dong is not the man real name, brother.
what is that, Mr. Dong? Hey, Dong.
Where you going?
Just leave it alone.
Where you going?
Imagine if
If never for
like
you,
somebody said, if her
never for
name-
you, it would have been Junior Dong.
Junior
I heard
Dong.
when they said it. Anyway, so the
Okay,
man
DeAndre. Yes, DeAndre. All right.
Stop, don't know, man. So the man, he got married. So big up, he got married over the weekend. Saturday, I think it was, and he married his longtime girlfriend, Tashana. And the wedding was at Hope Gardens in Kingston. So it was attended by close friends and family. With a host of celebrities were there, including love and hip hop star Safari. He was
Hey,
also
Safari,
there.
I roll out, isn't it?
Yeah.
The Safari out. Like
Yeah,
Safari out.
yeah.
And
not
of course,
touch road.
congratulations are also in order to Asafa Powell.
Hold on,
And
but we have a
yes,
video
we
of
have
the
a video
thing.
first?
We have a video of
Yeah,
Ding Dong
we're
with
gonna go
it.
video Ding Dong.
Because them did have a
something
dance off.
When you're part with me,
there. What's up there?
look here, look at me, looking at my eye there.
Yeah.
Anything you ask for,
Choose to like.
you get.
What them ever.
Say you want fireworks,
What them
fireworks you get. And you know
Like if I mean a style, yeah. Fireworks I get my light and matches and shit.
But a clappers go out first, though.
Clappers first?
Yeah, you never hear it. You hear the
pop.
clap, you hear the pop, pop, pop.
Pop.
I like that sound.
Fireworks.
Ding Dong, clappers one go. And then you see the fireworks on the
Big
side.
up,
Right?
yeah, man. Big up yourself.
Big up
Ding.
yourself. Congratulations for real, though.
Yeah, man. And congrats are also in order to Asafa Powell and his wife, Alicia. They're expecting their first child together. And
Mad.
it's a boy. Yeah, man.
Mad.
A general. That's up there.
Big up.
Yeah,
I wonder if
see
you're
them.
going to be a sprinter.
Man, if I go
Tinkle engine plane. When's the hard? Man, hear her say it. Like when she frightened, you know. Anyway, so she thought about it for 10 minutes. The manager told her that the flight.
Portmore. Kingston. No, but the heat's serious though.
Yeah, man.
Like the heat, like if anybody
Serious.
tell me say them wash their clothes and it can't dry, I lie.
I lied about them.
Like right now,
For real.
wash all your clothes for the whole of a year.
Yeah, man.
But serious, for all of the year, you're good right now.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself.
That's
Now,
when clothes can done in a closet. That's when
but
you
guess
have a
you're not
nipple.
wearing clothes anyway. Daytime Live shout out. First off, it's a big up the Daytime Live crew. Craigie T, big up yourself. This is from Omar and Ochi. So I must say big up
Man,
yourself, brother.
big up Omar, big up yourself for real. All right, so this one is coming from Marva Knight. Shout out and happy birthday to her cousin Shauna, First Lady Dixon Brown, from her cousin Marva Knight.
Marika Francis. Shout out to the crew. Shout out to my daughter Dejanay. She graduated this Sunday from Alpha. I'm very proud of her. She has done well. Big up to all the persons who got through in a prep. You know, big up to myself. Yeah,
I did not go big up that. I did not go make that big up that.
oh,
for
man,
real.
me take it back. I'm going to do it.
No, man, go on, true.
But I'm done.
Okay, all right, cool. So, Tamoya knew me. Says, good day, guys. Shout out to her mom, Mrs. Thompson at Melrose Primary. Big up yourself, Mrs. Thompson. You have a good last name, man.
Trevisha French. Send a big shout out to my two wonderful kids. Charisma. Her kid name is Charisma.
Yeah.
Like charisma.
Yeah.
So Charisma has charisma.
Yeah, she's charismatic.
And Kezia says, Mom loves you. Conley, big up yourself, sir.
So Adrian Darby says, big shout out to Apostle Jermaine Leng and KEADM International Ministries.
Oh, big up to Delphi and Westmoreland. Big up. Yeah, I was down there on the weekend. Big up to Kelly Gideon, my cousin. Big up Kelly Gideon, my cousin. Big up. Big up to Bantan. Big up to Benji. Tim, big up yourself. Yeah. I roll back out there.
Big up to Miguel, aka Killer B, that are the painter / artist from Mandeville. Big up yourself, my general. Big up to Colin and Son from Waltham. Big up on yourself. Big up to Christian, who
Dave
just
Allen.
passed for Campion. Big up
Dave
yourself.
Allen,
Big up to Tishani, who just passed for Immaculate.
Big up the supermarket, them have AC. Big up the bank, them we have AC.
Yeah.
Big up the robot taxi, them that have AC.
Big up on yourself.
Yes, the barber shop won't have AC, me not leaving.
Big up all AC repairman. Big up on yourself.
Yeah, big up. Right now, AC trending. Oh, and Sunday, June 30th, Joint Live Comedy Bar special happening at the bandstand in Hope Gardens. Come out and support, please, please, because part of the proceeds is going towards the bandstands. And we talk about our culture. Yeah, that's where like Miss Lou used to do a lot of her stuff earlier, so it's helping with that. So Drew Thomas is here from overseas, IT hosting, Michael V, Dale Harris, and Christian Entertainment Alarman. Roll Sunday, 7 p.m.
We'll be right back with chat. We'll soak up.
Comedy Bar later, come.